Hi mathematicians! As we continue to work with equivalent fractions, today I want us to be thinking about finding equivalent fractions between tenths and hundredths. So, today I want to teach you that you can show a fraction with a denominator of 10 as an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100 using an area model. Watch me as I show you how to do that. So on our fraction here, I have 10 total pieces. Of my 10 total pieces, 3 are shaded. Therefore, the fraction that is currently represented is 3/10. Now, thinking back to our teaching point for the day, you can show a fraction with a denominator of 10 as an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100 using an area model. In order to do that, we need to decompose our area model. Well, I currently have 10 pieces. I need 100 total fractional units. In order for me to do that, I need to decompose this area model 10 times. And do your best as you're drawing your lines when you get to your model. Great. So when I started, I had 3/10 represented on this area model. Now that I've decomposed this area model 10 more times, I now have a total of 100 fractional units, and we need to determine how many total fractional units are shaded. Now, we know each of these was a tenth before, and we've now decomposed it 10 times. So each of these rows has 10 fractional units in it. Therefore, we have 10, 20, 30 total fractional units shaded out of 100. So my equivalent fraction for 3/10 is 30 hundredths. Now, we can use a multiplication sentence really quickly to double check our work. We can say 3/10 equals 3 times 10, because we decomposed it 10 times, over 10 times 10 gives us 30 hundredths. Great. Now, it's your turn. On this model, again, we're going to start with 10 total pieces. And we have 6 total pieces shaded. Now pause this video, draw out this area model, and write the fraction that is currently represented by this model. Awesome work, mathematicians. Welcome back. Now that you have your own area model and you've documented that it currently represents 6/10, because we had 10 total pieces, 6 are shaded. To find an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100, I want you to pause the video and decompose your area model so that it now represents 100 total pieces. Awesome job, mathematicians, as I quickly finish up decomposing my model. I'm hoping that you can jot down how many total fractional units out of 100 are now shaded. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, because I have 10 in each row, and I have 6 of those total rows shaded. So my equivalent fraction for 6/10 is 60 hundredths. Again, we can use a quick multiplication sentence to help prove our work. So we started with 6/10. It is equal to 6 times 10 over 10 times 10. That is equal to 60 over 100. Awesome work, mathematicians. I want to remind you as you go off and you continue this work that you can show a fraction with a denominator of 10 as an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100 using an area model.